Get ready to sculpt the most muscular legs of your life with these 5 killer exercises. You won't believe the results. Today, I'm sharing the top 5 leg building exercises you need to try right now. In this video, we'll explore 5 leg building exercises to help you sculpt those powerful lower body muscles. Whether you want to increase your strength, improve your athletic performance, or simply tone and define your legs, these exercises are essential for your workout routine. Let's examine each of the 5 leg building exercises. First, we have squats. Squats are a compound exercise that targets multiple muscle groups, including the quads, hamstrings, and glutes. For proper form and maximum effectiveness, keep your back straight, chest up, and lower down, as if sitting back in a chair. Next, we have lunges. Lunges are fantastic for targeting each leg individually, helping to improve balance and symmetry. Step forward with one leg, lower your body until both knees are at a 90-degree angle, then push back up to the starting position. Repeat on the other leg to work both sides evenly. Moving on to deadlifts, this exercise primarily targets the hamstrings and lower back. Keep your back straight, hinge at the hips, and lower the weight while keeping it close to your body. Push through your heels to return upright, engaging your hamstrings and glutes throughout the movement. For the 4th exercise, let's talk about calf raises. Calf raises are excellent for targeting the calf muscles, helping to improve lower leg strength and definition. Raise your heels off the ground by pushing through the balls of your feet, then lower back down. You can exercise with body weight or add weight for an extra challenge. Last but not least, we have the leg press. This machine is excellent for targeting the quads, hamstrings, and glutes while supporting your lower back. Adjust the seat and weight to your comfort level. Then push the platform away from you using your legs, avoiding locking your knees at the top of the movement. Now here comes the critical moment. To maximize your leg gains, focus on squats, one of the most effective leg building exercises. Remember to challenge yourself with progressive overload by increasing the weight or reps over time. Consistency is vital, so incorporate squats into your leg workout routine for optimal results. To wrap it up, we've covered the 5 essential leg building exercises: squats, lunges, deadlifts, calf raises, and leg press. These exercises target different muscle groups in the legs, helping you build strength, improve muscle definition, and enhance your overall lower body performance. Consistency and proper form are crucial for seeing progress, so don't skip leg day. Now it's your turn to take action. Try these leg building exercises in your next workout, and remember to share your results in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and want more fitness tips and workout routines, subscribe to our channel for regular updates. Keep pushing yourself, stay dedicated, and let's crush those leg goals together.